welcome to College Junior ma'am. It's been a great honor and pleasure for us to take an interview with you and regarding your institute. So you can start with your profile, ma'am.
Okay, sir. A nice good evening to everybody. I am Dr. Vijaya. I belong to Civil Department. I am working here for the past 20 years in M.G.R. Polytechnical College. Our college started in the year 1987. Now we are nearing almost 37 years of experience. Here we have 7 departments, namely Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Automobile Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electrical and Communication Engineering, and Computer Science Engineering. I did my PhD in Corrosion Engineering in SRM University. I replaced fine aggregate with M sand. Since river sand is not available in nature, I did my PhD in corrosion by replacing fine aggregate with manufactured sand. I am working here for the past 20 years.
Yeah. So being a faculty for your civil department, so what are the roles and responsibilities towards the students, ma'am?
Sir, here all the students who are getting admission into civil engineering department, they come with the best output, sir. They are coming with good aim to construct more engineering structures for the society. So we are focusing all the students to do all their research works to bring the society in a good manner, sir.
Okay. So how do you tend to establish healthy relations with the students and fellow faculty?
As a faculty, all the faculties will move as a friendly manner to the students, so that if they have any doubts in their class as well as in their laboratories, they will be asking us in a friendly manner, and we will also approach them in a friendly manner to discuss all their doubts, so that they can be moving in a good manner.
Yeah. So how do you try to bring a practical approach towards subjects and make it industry oriented?
So I basically belong to Civil Engineering department. Here in our curriculum we have 4 theory and 4 practicals. Okay. For example, for surveying we will do all the surveying in laboratory in the afternoon time. The same will be taught in the morning time as theory subjects. So for industrial visit also we will go for Kondrathur Hills to take all the survey projects. And the projects also they will do related to all the civil engineering designs.
Okay. And what are the best practices offered by the departments to the students which help them gain necessary skills?
Okay, sir. Before and all, they will be drawing the plan of a building by using pencils and pens. Now all the softwares has developed. For example, in civil engineering, we have CAD facilities. In CAD, they do all the line plan and design by using CAD software. Among CAD software, now Revit is also there. So we can do 3D printing in a best manner, sir. So we are focusing in a new syllabus, sir.
Okay, fine. So how do you strategize the curriculum and how often it get updated, it befitting for the students?
So according to our Directorate of Technical Education, for every 5 years we are changing the syllabus, sir. Okay. According to a new updation. Okay. For example, in civil engineering now they have introduced STAT Pro and STRUTS for all the students to be well practiced in that 3D printing and all. Okay. So for every year they are changing the curriculum according to the upcoming sustainability, sir.
Okay. So what are your views upon the placements and higher education about the students from your department?
Okay, while coming to civil engineering department, every year we are placing all the 30 students, sir. Okay. Here we have an intake of only 30. Okay. So we are making placement arrangement for all the 30 students. Okay. Yearly, I feel being 20 years, I feel more than 200 students have placed from here. Okay. More recently, I want to tell that one of my students named Gayatri, she is now working as a manager in Sandria Engineering. She is a well-placed student in my department, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. So how do you help your student to cope up with competition being so high in the outside world?
So we are focusing the students in the upcoming trending applications more related softwares. We are conducting workshops for them and conferences, and we are allowing other students to go to the other colleges where conferences are held on. So by this way we are promoting the students to the updated sequence.
Okay, ma'am. And so do you have any extracurricular activities or programs to enhance the skills of the student in your department?
Yes, sir. We have so many outstanding programs conducted in our college. Okay. For example, we conduct every year symposium for the students who belong to civil engineering departments. Okay. So by conducting conference also, we make them to participate in other colleges in name of our college, and so many students have placed in that also, sir.
And so what are the challenges you faced to uplift the quality of education of your department?
Challenges, no, we have introduced so many softwares, sir. That is the main challenge, because before and all, students were doing manually, sir. All the works, they are civil engineering works, designing and all, they did manually. But now, while coming to near end scheme syllabus, they are always drawing with the design software, sir. So that is the upliftment, sir.
So when you came to the college, what was your vision and how are you trying to achieve the same now?
When I came to college, I had a vision of promoting so many students in civil engineering department. Now I think I have achieved all the aims. We have nearly promoted 500 students from here. So I feel proud about it, sir.
So how does the curriculum of your department ensures the best practice of the industry?
Surveying and all, in industries, they are using GIS and GPS, total station surveying practice. So in our curriculum also we have GIS, geoinformatics systems, and total station practices. So we make all the students to learn that well, so that they will forward to their companies. They get well placed in the companies.
And how does the college enhance the skills of the faculty and prepares them for the according to the industry standards?
So many industries are providing us faculty development programs and workshops for the staff, sir. So we are attending all the faculty development programs, so that we are well trained in all the aspects, sir.
So what do you see the department greatest strength and how it can be enhanced?
Greatest strength in civil engineering, we are always job creators, sir. We don't go for any job seekers. Our students mainly, they are all job creators. That I feel the strength of the department, sir.
So one valuable advice would you like to give to the students for them to have a prosperous career ahead?
Valuable advice in the sense, the students, they can practice the practical, they have the practical knowledge in all aspects. I think they can come up in life more than theoretical knowledge, sir. So we are giving our utmost strength to practice the students to have a very good practical knowledge, sir. That is our aim, sir.
Thank you so much.